Hello everyone, after a long period, we will meet again and start our chapter 2nd, subject English, book It So Happened. Chapter 2 is Children at Work. In previous videos, we have done its first and second part. Velu, an 11 years old boy, runs away from home. About Velu's run away from home, and after that he had met a girl named Jaya. After that he had spent his time wandering here and there with Jaya, and further he had worked as a rag picker with Jaya. Let's start with our part 3rd of this chapter. There is a row of huts near some dirty puddles. Outside one of the huts, Jaya dumps her sack. Grateful to his friend, Velu thinks of the days ahead. Means there are the main points of the part of 3rd. When Velu and Jaya arrived there, Velu saw that there is a row of huts near some dirty puddles. Puddles means area was very dirty. There is no sun rays inside the streets. Outside one of the huts, Jaya dumps her sack, and one of the hut, Jaya put down her sack. Grateful to his friend, and Velu is very grateful to his friend, means towards Jaya. Jaya and Velu walked along the roads for half an hour until they came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. Trickle of water means dirty, means in our language we said that the dirty trickle water means dirty जो हमारी जो गलियाँ होती हैं, गंदा नाला आप जिसको बोल सकते हैं, मीन्स जहाँ पर डर्टी वाटर जो बह रहा था, पानी जो गंदा पानी होता है उसके नियर बाई जितने भी हमारी हर्ट्स वगैरह होती हैं उनको वो देखता है. वी वर इन ए ट्रिप्लिकेन नाउ, सी दैट्स बकिंगम कैनाल, सेड जया. एंड यहाँ पर वो जो पहुँचते हैं, जया told Velu that these are palace and it is called Buckingham Canal. Velu stared. Stared means continuously see that this was a canal. This is a canal. Near some puddles of water was a row of the strangest huts he had ever seen, because he had never seen any huts nearby canals as he seen in his village. They were built out of all sorts of things, and these huts are made up of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. They stood crookedly. Crookedly means unsteadily, means they have been broken or demolished at any moment, and looked as if they would fall any moment. Is this where you live? These houses are strange. Velu said, these houses are very strange. I didn't see these kinds of house before, said Velu. In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm trees, because I see only the houses made of mud and palm leaves in my village. Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside. Then she picked up an empty one. Let's go. After that, Jaya said, let's go. She turned to Velu and gave him a shove. At least help me now. Here, wear these and come with me. Here, look at the picture, Jaya gave him a pair of chappals, I think, and said that to wear them, and Jaya requested to Velu to help her. She threw him a pair of old shoes without laces and pushed a sack and a stick into his hand. And also he had a stick into his hands. Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? And Velu was very surprised and did not understand what kind of work Jaya wants to do. The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. Because Velu only doing that kind of works that landowners' farms work, weeding and taking cows out to graze. Are there any farms in the city? He asked. Yeah. There is, she laughed and thumped her stick on the ground. Thumbs means टेक स्टर्म्स होता है, मीन्स उसने पटक दिया, एक जोर से स्टिक को क्या क्या ग्राउंड पर मार देना. फार्म्स, देयर आर नो फार्मर्स हियर, वी आर रैग पिकर्स. Jaya said, there are no farmers, only rag pickers. Rag pickers? See my sack full of things I collected. See my sack, Jaya said. मेरी जो sack means बोरी है उसको देखो, full of things I collected. जो मैंने इकट्ठी की है वो इसमें मैं डाल रखी है. Collected, इकट्ठा करना. From where? कहाँ से? Asked Velu. From rubbish bins. Where else? Rubbish bins and every कहीं से भी. You collect rubbish? Velu had never heard of such a thing. अब वेलू ने कभी ऐसी चीज़ें बेटा देखी नहीं थी कि हम कभी रबिश को भी इकट्ठा करते हैं, कूड़े को भी कभी इकट्ठा करते हैं. आई ब्लॉकहेड मीन्स फूल. मूर्ख की तरह मत देखो. इट इज़ नॉट एनी रबिश, ओनली पेपर, प्लास्टिक, ग्लास, सच थिंग्स. वी सेल इट टू जाम बाजार जगू. जया further said he sell these things to Jam Bazar Jagu. Velu was puzzled. He had heard of people throwing away rubbish, but why would anyone want to buy rubbish? He always heard that we throwing the rubbish, and he had never heard from anyone to buy rubbish. Who's Jam Bazar Jagu? Why he's buying all this? You think he buys it for show? He sells it to a factory? Come on, I don't have time to waste like you. Jaya further said to Velu that he buys it to sell these things to a factory. And come on, I have no time to waste like this. Velu did not move. He hadn't run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins. Jaya poked at him with her stick. When Velu didn't move and said nothing to Jaya, and he thinking about this place to dig through garbage bins. Look here, she shouted. She shouted that, look here, इधर देखो. If someone gets there before us, we don't get anything. Don't just stand there posing. Big hero, I am trying to help you. Who filled your stomach today? So Jaya further said that, don't stand here and posing like that. You are not a hero. Just come with me and help me. I also tried to fill your stomach. Velu scratched his head and sighed. Velu हामी में अपना सिर हिलाता है और आह भरता है. I will do it for now. आज से मैं यही काम करूँगा. ही थॉट, वो सोचता है. Until I find a better job. जब तक कि मुझे कोई अच्छी जॉब नहीं मिल जाती means Velu decided to do work as a rag pickers. Here our chapter finished. In next class we will discuss about this chapter question answers. I hope you understand the story. In this recently, this is a current issue. Why the boys or girls choose the job as a rag pickers? Why they don't go to school and study for their future? This is the current issue in our society. So I hope you understand the story about rag pickers. Thank you. Have a nice day.